Video from today about Bitcoin. In today's segment, we will be taking a closer look at Litecoin, also known as LTC. Currently, Litecoin is ranked at number 12 in terms of market capitalization, with a value of approximately $6.11 billion. Over the past 24 hours, it has experienced a trading volume of around $243 million today. We will be discussing some intriguing price action for Litecoin, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Without any further delay, let us shift our focus to the chart. For Litecoin versus USD on the 4-hourly time frame. For this analysis, we will be using Coinbase as our data source, as we have observed there is a compelling case for a bull ISH outlook on Litecoin, primarily due to the fact that the bulls have managed to hold the level of 82, specifically 82.25. As long as the price of Litecoin continues to hold this level, our bull ISH sentiment remains intact. In fact, we may even witness an impulsive PUSH towards the 200 EMA at the 88 region. This potential PUSH could result in a 6% increase in value for Litecoin. However, it is important to note that we should anticipate some consolidation in the near future, possibly continuing until the weekend. When we look more closely at the indicators, we can see that Litecoin is currently consolidating around the zero list. There are some worries about Lunc Classic's general bearish SH trend, which could last until next week. Market structure, but there are some things to think about that could be bull ISH. First, some recent proposals have been passed, such as the return of a used community funds and the burning of 100 of those funds. While these may not have an immediate effect on the price, it's good to see governance in action. However, Bitcoin is the most important thing for Lunc Classic's price right now. If Bitcoin keeps going up and breaks above $30, 300 Lunc Classic's price could go up as well. There is a chance that Lunc Classic could break above its main resistance level around $8,000. This could lead to a rally towards $8,300 to $8,400, stabilizing the market structure and possibly opening up more bull ISH opportunities in the long term. It is important for Lunc Classic to close above the resistance level on the 4-hour time frame within the next 48 hours to support this bull ISHSC scenario. If it doesn't, it could mean that Lunc Classic is not strong enough. Overall, Lunc Classic could have a bull ISH rise. But a lot depends on how Bitcoin does and how the price changes in the next few days. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the show. Today's cryptocurrency is Litecoin, which is currently ranked 12th and has a market capitalization of about $6.11 billion. Litecoin has been doing some very interesting things lately, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Let's take a closer look at the charts. In particular, we'll be looking at the Litecoin/USD pair on the 4-hour time frame using data from Coinbase. We've been seeing a bull ISH case for Litecoin, especially since the bulls have been able to keep the price above the 82.25 level. As long as Litecoin stays above this, our bull ISH sentiment is strong, and we expect a possible impulsive PUSH towards the 200 EMA around 88, which could lead to a 6% rise in Litecoin's price. However, it's important to note that we might experience some consolidation in the next few days, which could last until the weekend. This consolidation phase shouldn't be a surprise, since our indicators show a consolidation period at the zero level on the cloud indicator. This means that Litecoin is likely to keep moving sideways as long as the 82 level holds. By the beginning of the next week, this consolidation phase should still be going on, and we can expect an impulsive PUSH towards the 80 to 80 region. To sum up, our analysis shows that Litecoin is currently in a consolidation phase with potential bull ISH momentum to come. If you like our insights, please like, subscribe, and join us for daily updates on Litecoin. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to today's crypto movie. Today, we're going to talk about Litecoin, which is also known as LTC and is currently ranked 12th. Litecoin has a market capitalization of about $6.11 billion. In the last 24 hours, about $243 million worth of Litecoin has been traded. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this fascinating video. Now let's dive deeper into the fascinating world of Litecoin by taking a closer look at its price action. For this analysis, we'll be looking at the Litecoin versus the USD dollar chart on the 4-hourly time frame. Above this level, our bull ISH outlook stays the same, and we might even see a sudden rise of 6% toward the 200 EMA exponential moving average in the 88 area. However, it is important to note that at this point, we should expect a period of consolidation. This consolidation phase is likely to last through the weekend, with a possible breakout happening the following week. The Z-score has shown an overbought region, which means that Litecoin's price is likely to fall. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the movie for today's cryptocurrency. Today, we'll look into the interesting world of Litecoin, or LTC. With a market capitalization of $6.11 billion, Litecoin is placed 12th. In the last 24 hours, it traded for about $243 million, so grab a cup of tea, settle in, and watch this informative video. The information we will use comes from Coinbase. As BTC jumps 2% in 24 hours, people are wondering what this might mean for buyers as the market continues to change. We should find out if this increase means that now is a good time to think about buying Bitcoin. In a recent radio interview, Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, talked about how he sees a growing trend of big companies adopting Bitcoin and making it the center of their business. Saylor stressed that third parties and businesses will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem. He said that as Bitcoin becomes more common in society, different ways to use it will come up, and a one-size-fits-all solution may not exist. Saylor said there were three main. CEO of MicroStrategy talked about how he sees the growing trend of big companies adopting Bitcoin and making it the center of their business. Saylor stressed that third parties and businesses will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem. He said that as Bitcoin becomes more common in society, different ways to use it will come up, and a one-size-fits-all solution may not work. Saylor gave three main reasons why the Bitcoin space needs custodians: a technical, politics, and it's only. Saylor agreed that, from a political point of view, some government structures might make it necessary to rely on third-party guardians. On the technical side, he understood that Layer 3 third parties like Bank of America and Apple help make mobile crypto transfers work. Saylor also said that it might be safer for some people, like the elderly or those who want to make sure their assets are safe for future generations, to give their possessions to someone else. Saylor thinks that Bitcoin will have different ways of integrating, and that the market will figure out the best mix of institutional and self-sovereign ways. He said that people shouldn't be afraid of the many ways to integrate, because the changing Bitcoin market will naturally determine the best mix of ways to integrate.